Father's Day is just around the corner, so we at needlepointers.com decided to share a fun, unique Father's Day handmade gift idea for kids to make for Dad or Grandpa on their special day. This nuts and bolts picture frame. All it takes to create this super quick, easy, and inexpensive Father's Day gift is glue, an old picture frame, and some nuts, bolts, screws, and washers. What you need is a variety of nuts, bolts, washers, and screws, an old picture frame, or you can purchase a new one, strong glue or hot glue. I'm going to be using Elmer's Glue All. Remove the glass and the backing from the picture frame. And set them aside. Set the frame on a flat surface. Protect the table or the work area with newspaper, craft paper, or a dollar store tablecloth. Lay out all the nuts, bolts, washers, and screws and allow the child to choose which they want to use to decorate the frame. With some strong glue, such as Elmer's Glue All, let the child glue the hardware around the frame by placing a dab of glue on the frame and putting some hardware on the top of it. Continue to decorate the frame . You can also use hot glue. However, please make sure that the child does not use the hot glue. Let them tell you exactly where they want to put the hardware, and then you should glue it in place. I'm going to continue to place the hardware on here, on the frame, and then I'll come back. Allow the glue to dry overnight. While the glue is drying, decide what to place inside the frame. Some ideas are a picture, a handwritten note from the child's handprint, coloring pages, or a child's drawing. After it has dried overnight, put the glass back in. Pop in the desired item and replace the backing. Don't forget to write the child's name and the year on the back of the frame. The Father's Day frame is ready for gifting. Besides Father's Day, this idea is a super gift for Dad's birthday or Christmas. Dad is sure to love displaying this cute handmade gift at the office, in his man cave, or in the family room. I hope you liked this nuts and bolts picture frame video. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by following us on Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter. If you are on Pinterest, save our projects. This is a great way to keep track of your favorite kids' craft ideas. Visit needlepointers.com's Kids Corner page to find lots of other free kids projects and tutorials.